Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top stocks to buy in 2024. We're talking long-term growth potential here, the kind of companies that could make your portfolio really shine in the years to come. Always do your own research and talk to a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. So, if you're ready to explore some potentially game-changing investment opportunities, stick around. First up, we've got Apple. These guys consistently deliver. Year after year, they churn out innovative products that people can't get enough of. Their ecosystem of products, from Macs to AirPods to the Apple Watch, creates a powerful network effect that keeps customers coming back for more. Their services revenue, from things like the App Store, Apple Music, and iCloud, has been absolutely exploding. This recurring revenue stream is huge for their bottom line and gives them a lot of stability, even when hardware sales fluctuate. People love Apple products, and that kind of brand recognition is priceless. Overall, Apple is a company with a proven track record of innovation, a loyal customer base, and a rock-solid financial position. Next up, we've got another titan of the tech world, Amazon. They've absolutely dominated the e-commerce space, becoming the go-to destination for online shopping for millions of people worldwide. But here's the thing, Amazon's reach extends far beyond just selling you that new book or pair of headphones. Their cloud computing division, Amazon Web Services or AWS, is a monster in its own right. This gives Amazon incredible diversification. Even if e-commerce growth slows down, they've got this massive, high-margin cloud business to fall back on. They're constantly innovating, from exploring new technologies like drone delivery to expanding into new markets like grocery delivery with Amazon Fresh. They're masters of scale, efficiency, and customer experience, and I think they're well-positioned to continue their dominance in both e-commerce and cloud computing for years to come. Now, let's talk about a company that's been making headlines and disrupting the auto industry, Tesla. Love them or hate them, there's no denying that Tesla has completely changed the game when it comes to electric vehicles. Elon Musk's vision of a sustainable energy future has resonated with millions of people, and Tesla's cars are seen as the epitome of cool, high-tech transportation. They've gone from a niche player to a major force in the auto industry, and their production numbers are ramping up rapidly. Their energy storage solutions, like the Powerwall for homes and the Power Pack for businesses, are gaining traction as well. As the world transitions to renewable energy sources, Tesla's battery technology and energy storage solutions could become even more valuable. If you believe in the future of electric vehicles and sustainable energy, Tesla is definitely a stock to consider. They're a company with a bold vision and the potential to reshape the transportation industry as we know it. Next up, we've got a company that's been a mainstay in the tech world for decades, Microsoft. Under Satya Nadella's leadership, they've undergone a remarkable transformation, shifting their focus to cloud computing and enterprise software. Their cloud platform, Azure, has become a major player in the cloud computing space, going head-to-head with Amazon's AWS. This cloud revenue has been a huge driver of growth for Microsoft, providing them with a recurring revenue stream that's less susceptible to economic downturns. Their legacy businesses, like Windows and Office, are still incredibly profitable. Xbox has become a major player in the gaming console market, and their Game Pass subscription service is attracting millions of subscribers. Overall, Microsoft is a company that successfully reinvented itself for the cloud era. They've got a diverse portfolio of products and services, a strong track record of innovation, and a rock-solid financial position. Finally, we have Alphabet, the parent company of Google. They absolutely dominate the search market, with a market share that's almost hard to fathom. But Alphabet is much more than just Google search. They've got a vast empire of products and services, from YouTube, which has become the go-to platform for online video, to Android, the most popular mobile operating system in the world. Their investments in AI, in particular, could lead to significant breakthroughs in various industries. Now, Alphabet, like the other companies on this list, faces its share of challenges. But their track record of innovation, Their massive user base and their strong financial position make them a formidable force in the tech world. If you're looking for a company with a finger on the pulse of the future, Alphabet is definitely worth considering. So, there you have it, my top 5 stock picks for 2024. These are companies that I believe have the potential to deliver significant returns over the long term. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more stock market tips and updates. See you in the next video.